Which of the following is an example of an alternative energy resource listed? A. Fossil fuels. B. Solar energy. C. Petroleum. D. Coal. The correct answer is B. Solar energy. Which action initiates the list drop-down menu in the activity window? A. Clicking the is equal to icon. B. Clicking the play icon. C. Clicking a tab under the window. D. Selecting a title from the list. The correct answer is A. Clicking the is equal to icon. What happens when sodium carbonate is added to a base medium? A. It turns pink. B. It gives brisk effervescence. C. It turns yellow. D. It does not give brisk effervescence. The correct answer is D. It does not give brisk effervescence. What does the term predominantly mean? A. Mainly. B. Rarely. C. Slightly. D. Occasionally. The correct answer is A. Mainly. Which of the following is listed as a main tool of foreign policy? A. Treaties and executive agreements. B. Local law enforcement. C. Internal infrastructure development. D. Domestic taxation. The correct answer is A. Treaties and executive agreements. What is water commonly called due to its ability to dissolve most substances? A. A polar solvent. B. A specific solvent. C. A nonpolar solvent. D. A universal solvent. The correct answer is D. A universal solvent. What happened to Gandhi and other leaders during the events mentioned in South Africa? A. They formed a new government. B. They were released without charge. C. They were exiled from South Africa. D. They were arrested. The correct answer is D. They were arrested. How many beakers are required for the initial setup in this experiment? A. 5. B. 4. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is A. 5. What type of motion is exhibited by the tip of the seconds hand of a clock? A. Resting motion. B. Decelerated motion. C. Constant velocity motion. D. Accelerated motion. The correct answer is D. Accelerated motion. Which historical figure is often associated with early alchemical writings? A. Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Marie Curie. D. Zosimos of Panopolis. The correct answer is D. Zosimos of Panopolis. What is the valency of an oxygen atom? A. 2. B. 6. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is A. 2. Which act led to the establishment of a Supreme Court in Calcutta? A. The Charter Act of 1833. B. The Indian Councils Act of 1861. C. The Regulating Act of 1773. D. The Government of India Act of 1935. The correct answer is C. The Regulating Act of 1773. What was the name of the first plastic created? A. Polystyrene. B. Parksine. C. Polyethylene. D. Polypropylene. The correct answer is B. Parksine. How does the use and throwaway nature of plastics impact the environment? A. It promotes healthy ecosystems. B. It leads to increased biodiversity. C. It improves air quality. D. It causes pollution. The correct answer is D. It causes pollution. In what year did the Mughal Emperor Jahangir permit the English to establish their factory in Surat? A. 1613. Born in 1612. Circa 1795. D. 1759. The correct answer is A. 1613. What is an important objective of India's agricultural policy related to value added? A. To decrease value added per hectare. B. To regulate value added distribution. C. To increase value added per hectare. D. To maintain current value added levels. The correct answer is C. To increase value added per hectare. How is the depth of the sea related to the time interval of an ultrasonic wave's transmission and reception? A. Exponentially related. B. Inversely proportional. C. Directly proportional. D. No relation. The correct answer is C. Directly proportional. Which territory was included with the 7 union territories mentioned by Ravi? A. Puducherry. B. Delhi. C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. D. Chandigarh. The correct answer is B. Delhi. Why are the Cordilleras considered part of the fire ring of the Pacific? A. Extensive forest cover. B. Flat landscape. C. Presence of large rivers. D. High number of active volcanoes. The correct answer is D. High number of active volcanoes. What is a characteristic of the Mesolithic period's subsistence strategy? A. Hunting of animals and birds. B. Development of chiefdom. C. Domestication of animals. D. Cultivation of crops. The correct answer is A. Hunting of animals and birds. What percentage of the total freshwater available on Earth is found in polar ice caps and glaciers? A. 68.7%. B. 30.1%. C. 0.3%. D. 0.9%. The correct answer is A. 68.7%. For what purposes are oil crops useful on a large scale? A. Soil enrichment and aeration. B. Consumption or industrial uses. C. Ornamental uses and landscaping. D. Pest control and disease prevention. The correct answer is B. Consumption or industrial uses. What specific addition did Irugappa make to the Trilokyanatha temple? A. An additional shrine. B. A Sangeeta Mandapa. C. A new Gopuram. D. A large tower. The correct answer is B. A Sangeeta Mandapa. From which regions were ships seen at the port town of Kayal? A. Rome and Egypt. B. Europe and Africa. C. Arabia and China. D. India and Persia. The correct answer is C. Arabia and China. What is the function of nephridiopores? A. To open nephridia to the exterior. B. To serve as sensory projections. C. To locate the male genital pore. D. To allow the organism to breed. The correct answer is A. To open nephridia to the exterior. Cholia is a folk dance associated with which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Sikkim. The correct answer is C. Uttarakhand. What does Z represent in the context of atomic structure? A. Number of electrons. B. Atomic number. C. Mass number. D. Number of neutrons. The correct answer is B. Atomic number. Which country is explicitly mentioned in the text? A. Argentina. B. Chile. C. Brazil. D. Uruguay. The correct answer is D. Uruguay. Which region was Rani Durgavati a ruler of? A. Central Province. B. Arabia. C. Gujarat. D. South India. The correct answer is A. Central Province. What does every measurement inherently contain? A. Perfect precision. B. An approximate value. C. The exact value. D. Absolute certainty. The correct answer is B. An approximate value. How did you score?